Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with the euro-dollar pair with Paulo Greco. The average volatility of the EURUSD currency pair over the last 5 trading days is 41 pips. And is characterized as low. Today, on July 24, we expect the pair to move between levels 1.1333 and 14.15 on Friday. The upper channel of the linear regression is directed downwards, indicating a continued downward trend. The CCI technical indicator has entered the oversold area and formed two bullish divergences, which warn of the possible end to the downward trend. But now the pair maintains its downward trend, which is presumably a correction within the framework of the global uptrend, as can be clearly seen on the daily or weekly time frame. The global fundamental outlook for the dollar remains negative, but in 2026, first geopolitics and then the hawkish sentiment of the Fed provided strong support for the US currency. With the price positioned below the moving average line, it's a sun line on the graphic. Short positions can be considered with targets of 1.1353 and 1333. Above the moving average line, long positions would be relevant, with targets at 1.1475 and 1536. The market has been in the flat for the fourth consecutive week. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for these commodity asset presented by Dimitrios Tsipras. Gold is trading around 40.28, near the 61% Fibonacci retracement level, drawn from the low of 39.65 to 41.65. We could expect gold to consolidate above the solid support level of 40.20 in the coming hours. This support level has already acted as a solid support zone on July 8 and July 14. So, we believe it could hold gold's decline, allowing it to rebound or resume its uptrend. Gold has recorded a series of consecutive declines since reaching a high around 41.65. This level acts as a strong resistance. At the same time, gold managed to close the gap from July 9, when it surpassed 41.21. If the downward pressure persists, gold is likely to reach 40.10, which represents the first daily support level. If gold breaks below this zone, it could be expected to reach 39.85. Near the second daily support level. This zone could also be considered a solid support level for gold. Hence, a technical bounce around this zone is realistic. Although there is still no clear signal to open long positions, we should wait for gold to consolidate above the 61% retracement level at around 40.35. About this zone, a buying opportunity could be considered with targets at 38% level. which also coincides with a 21-day simple moving average. It's a solid line on the graphic. Around 40.82. If gold breaks above 40.80 and consolidates above this zone, the outlook could be positive, and we could expect it to return to the 200 EMI around 41.48 in the coming hours. That's all for today. See you online soon.